OMRON proudly introduces the new M7 Intelli IT AFib blood pressure monitor with the revolutionary Intellisense AFib technology. So, let's walk through how to properly take a reading at home. Before getting started, refrain from smoking, consuming caffeine or exercising, as these can affect your results. It's important to take your readings in a calm and quiet environment with a table and chair. Sit upright with your legs and arms at a 90-degree angle and your feet flat on the floor. Firmly wrap the cuff around your arm, directly onto your skin, with your palm facing up. Press start and remain still and silent for 30 seconds while the cuff inflates and your reading is taken. Once it's done, you'll see your results displayed. If possible, AFib is detected. It's important to consult your doctor immediately for further evaluation. In True Read mode, your monitor can automatically take 3 consecutive readings with 30 seconds intervals and displays the average. You should press and hold the start and stop button for 3 seconds to activate True Read mode. With the OMRON Connect app, you can easily sync and review your readings at any time, or share them with your doctor. Discover the clinically validated OMRON blood pressure monitors.